tips is to go into the center of the house or like a place in the center of the house with no windows, and just sit in there with like everyone that's trying to be safe in your house, like your family. And yeah. And then another good place is a bathroom in the center of the house again, because it's hard. And yeah, you can just like crouch down and like cover your head just in case like things are falling around. Yep, now we'll go to Maddie for our first aid kit.
Hey guys, it's Maddie Hurt. And I'm going to show you guys our first aid kit. Well, first of all, we will need a nice beverage. I prefer water so you don't get dehydrated. Some Band-Aids just in case for like any injuries. A radio so you can hear the radio. A flashlight just in case it gets dark. Just in case it gets dark and you can't see. Some hand sanitizer because you need clean hands. Some Vaseline because if you have any cuts.
Or
A heating pad for any pain. Gauze pads for cleansing and covering wounds. And some Neosporin to go. And some honey. Okay, one next subject. Next.
Follow me to the outdoors.
someone had a little trip.
Okay, this is our don't do category.
Don't
Okay.
do.
Brittany, you have to say it.
Don't
Who's the person hiding in the tree?
go.
Say it loud, Britt. During a thunderstorm, don't
Tornado, not thunderstorm.
During a tornado, don't climb to the top of a tree. Stay low to the ground, like this.
Next. Our next don't. Jump on the trampoline.
Jump on the trampoline.
Okay,
Man, I'm missing out on some fun.
during a tornado, because then, you know, you could die and not be alive. So yeah, you want to stay on the ground.
Can we get Noah?
I am getting Noah.
She already got me. Okay,
And that's the end of our video.
Oh, and do not stand by dogs. They might hit you.
Dogs can bite you fiercely.
Film us.
Thank you for watching our
video.
tornado video.
tornado video.
Oh, our names.
Yeah.
I'm Maddie Hurt. I'm Brittany Whitescarver.
I'm Brooke Gregory.
No soap.
And I'm Kayla Coomer.
Bye. Love you.
Oh my God.